What do have we here? A Whopper? A Whopper for me? Ooh, just taste that. It smells a little different, and there's no cheese. Come on! Who orders a burger with no cheese? Wow. That does not taste like a Whopper. That's because it's the Impossible Whopper, new from Burger King. Welcome to the Showstopper shows. I'm the Showstopper, and I am tasting the brand new Impossible Whopper from Burger King. First off, before I tell you what that tasted like, it's just like the classic Whopper, but it's not. It's all plant-based. It's the Impossible Patty. It's made from 0% beef, so they're very clear on that. It actually has, the main ingredients are soy and potato protein, coconut oil, sunflower oil. It's plants. It's plant-based. The guy at the restaurant told me it was made from grass. So I'm gonna tell you, when I opened this out of the bag, and there you go, let's watch an unboxing right there on the screen, there it is. So I open that up, and immediately it does not smell like a burger at all. You kind of get a whiff of like the grilled burger from Burger King, but then it transforms into a mix. It sounds like somebody was, it was charcoaling a bale of hay, was cooking a bale of hay on the grill. But it does have this just aroma of herbs. So you guys saw what it looked like right there. So as you saw in the intro there, I've already tasted this. It's different. Is there like a temperature you have to cook this to? Is it not cooked if it's not cooked a certain way? I don't know. Here we go. It's got a different texture. It's more soft. And I'm just gonna take a bite here, a big old bite of this. It even has the grill marks So just be aware, they actually cook it on the same broiler that they cook the other burgers on. Theoretically, they're not getting beef on it per se, but it's going down the same rails as the beef. So there may be a hint, a taste, a slab of beef on these because they're going down the same broiler. And it still has, that Burger King Whopper smell to it. That's going on in here too. Now, just be aware, there's 620 calories in the burger, and I know that includes like the bun and what's on it. So that's, and it's just a little bit less than just a regular Whopper. And they're kind of following in the trademark of a lot of people trying to get away from red meat, away from beef, and try to have a more healthy option, yet feel like they're still eating a burger. Now I gotta tell you, my first initial reaction to this, and you can tell I'm taking my time on this one because this is big, guys. My first initial reaction to this is it has a beefy smell and a beefy texture. So it's happening in a nice way there. I like that. I like where it's going. I like that idea. It smells like outside. It smells like you just stepped in wet grass and you trapped it in the house. And mom says, get those shoes out of here. You just mowed the lawn. Why are you bringing that in the house, boy? That never happened to me. Right, Mom? It has a good texture. The only other burger that I've had, so here's the thing. You're gonna say, well, are you an expert when it comes to this? No, but I have had a Beyond Meat burger, and I got those from Whole Foods. I cooked it, and I liked it on the first few bites, and then for some reason, I got like a gag reflex happening. I don't know why. It wasn't because it was bad, it just was so weird. That's the best way I can come up with that. It was just weird. This is good. I don't hate this. It's got a good flavor, a good smell, even though it does smell a little bit, like I said, like grass. It has a good smell. All right, so if you are someone who's trying to get away from red meat and you're like, your friends are always trying to go out to eat at fast food restaurants, you have an option that is gonna be more wide stream than ever. Just launched today, so it's gonna be nationwide. And they tested it in some markets, it tested well. People are interested in this. Is it replacing the other Whopper? No. So you gotta remember that, it's still gonna be there. So they dress it up just like a regular Whopper, and yes, I still have the bun. It's laying right here too. I dressed it up like a regular Whopper. I was gonna get my kids to try this too, and they were like, eh. So I gotta tell you, it's not a bad burger, and I would honestly consider getting it with a combo with fries and a Coke, and just sit there and eat it. And if I was to sit there and take a bite of it, and then say, could I trick someone? Could somebody actually be fooled into thinking this was a regular Whopper? Because at first glance, kind of looks like it. At first sniff, you catch the broiler smell. And then it really comes in quick with that old bagged grass smell. So overall, let me give you my rating of this. I'm gonna give for first, I cannot believe I'm gonna do this, but I'm gonna give that a Showstopper sizzle. I think it's actually pretty good. And again, the fact that I'm gonna say I'm gonna get it again is a plus. Now, do I like it? Yes, I do. I actually like it. I don't hate this. It's not bad. It's coming from all the right spots, and it's doing the right things. I'm a fan of that. And I'm gonna give that a rating, guys. I'm gonna give that an overall score of 84. You thought I was going 90s, didn't you? It crawls in at the sizzle level, 80 to 100 is sizzles. So it's on the lower end of the sizzle scale. So it's close to more like an 8.4 out of 10. But I like it, guys. And for everyone out there who's like, man, I need options, I need fast food options, you now have it at one of the biggest burger retailers. It's the King. The King has decided, hey, I'm gonna do this now. What's next? We're gonna have the Impossible Triple Whopper. We're gonna have, like, you know how they do like the King versions and the different, they're gonna have a Junior Impossible. They're gonna have a Kim Possible. Are they gonna have the Whopper, like, compete against like the McDonald's version? I mean, what's gonna happen with this is it can launch a whole nationwide and maybe even worldwide frenzy. The likes have been never seen before. I would like to try it with cheese, not vegan cheese, not some Daya, no offense. Again, I've tried it, I can't. I couldn't do it, guys. I tried, I did. I gave it a go, and it stopped right after I started at go. And I couldn't even get around the board. But this, I could get around with. And the texture is very, very close to burger. So that's good for me there too. So that's my review, and a long review of that, because I felt like this needed special attention. I felt like this needed to go somewhere that no one has gone to before. If you like this channel, if you like this video, please subscribe to it. My name is The Showstopper. I've been doing this for 7 years, and I feel like I know what I'm doing. I know how to, I research before I review, and then I review for you for the first time. And I'll start it out different. I don't do them all the same way. You saw me start out by just starting to eat it like I had no idea what was going on. And I may or may have not. I can't tell you which. So make sure you subscribe. Follow me on my Instagram channel, The Showstopper Shows. And I'm trying to grow that as well. I've been doing this a long time, and it's nice to be able to see some residual income come in. So I appreciate that as well. If you guys have any tips for me, let me know in the comments below. That's what they're for. And I do read the comments and respond to nearly every one. Some of them are just like, whatever, and I'll just give it a thumbs up. If it's just a mean one, I'll keep scrolling. If it's got bad words in, well, it won't show up. So boom on that one. Shout out to Dance North for always sticking with me on these videos and commenting. Shout out to Libby Garcia for always showing up and being a loyal fan. Eric on Instagram, you're always there, bro. I appreciate it. But thanks everyone for watching. And I'm thinking about doing another big giveaway and kind of just a relaunch of the channel. I'm gonna come up with a new logo, a new everything. So I've used the same stuff for a long time, and maybe it's time to switch it up. Guys, remember to eat and drink things that aren't good for you in moderation. The food and drinks last longer, and so will you, and that's what we all want in the Showstopper land population, everybody in the world. Guys, it's been a great video. Thanks for watching. May the force be with you. May his presence be with you. Always put a bow on this show, because that's a wrap. It was impossible, but we made it through. And let no one tell you can't go places, because with God, all things are possible. It's possible, y'all, to make burgers from trees. Woo! This show stops here. Never quit, y'all. We ain't never gonna quit. Go kart.